2, 3, funky.
The trim set is the visible part of the shower or tub. So that includes the shower head, the temperature controls, or the tub spout. In this video, we'll go through Delta's 4 most common color options. First up is a chrome finish. It's the most classic finish for faucets and other home fixtures. It's very versatile and it's suitable for both modern and contemporary looks. Up next for number 2, we've got oil rub bronze. It's a chemically darkened surface designed to simulate aged bronze. This finish is very dark and looks like a deep chocolate brown and usually has copper undertones. Moving right along to number 3, we've got brushed nickel. This has a muted shine. Sometimes people think it's stainless steel, but brushed nickel tends to have a golden or brownish tint and stainless steel has a faintly blue tone. Last but not least, my favorite, matte black. Matte black is naturally modern but works well in traditional spaces also. The matte black finish is a duller satin pigment which is applied to the surface of brass, steel, or iron. Thanks for watching and tuning in to Isaac and Stuff. Don't forget to smash that like button and drop a comment. And if you like my content and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Later!